I think to send a probe outside of our solar system, we would have to utilize certain laws of gravity that would make that possible. So in order to even get the probe outside of our gravitational pull, we would have to utilize an excessive amount of force, such as when we launch rockets or the bullet analogy in the book. In order to escape that pull, you need to have enough or an equal amount of force, or even more. And then after that, to send that said probe outside of the solar system, we would have to utilize Kepler's laws that he made, especially with the orbital laws. So by utilizing the orbits of big planets such as Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and then it would probably be possible to use those orbits to pull the probe away from the sun's heavy gravitational pull and further accelerate them outside of the sun's gravitational pull again. So in order to fully send a probe outside of our solar system, it would be important to utilize the natural gravitational forces that are already in place inside of our solar system.